guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is actually going to be an unboxing, unbagging of a new purse. Yes, I got a new purse from Bolzano bag subscription. They're actually a monthly subscription service where you could get a new bag every month. It's pretty cool. You do a questionnaire and basically every month they send you a new bag based on the questions you answered in your style. So you get a little surprise in the mail each month. I think that's pretty cool. If you guys have not heard of them or checked them out, I'll leave the information below. That way you can check them out. They sent this bag over to me. I did the questionnaire just like you guys will do. And I'm very excited to see what type of bag they thought matched me and my style. I told you guys in my TJ Maxx video, I like purses, but I don't like purses, but I like purses. And that's such a weird thing. I don't know. I'm just weird. But I'm so excited about this because I love matching purses with outfits. So definitely, if you haven't checked them out, check them out. And they give you a bag valued up to $150 for the bag. Okay, that's the value. So definitely, if you're not subscribed to them, you need to subscribe. All the information will be below for Bolzano. But we're gonna open this purse. I am so excited because I've had this package for like 3-4 days and I wanted to open it with you guys. I wanted us to open it together. Oh wow, it comes nicely wrapped. Just like that. Do I got it upside down? Yeah. Now there we go. Wait. Okay. I think I got it right. Okay. So it says all the information here. Cute little dust bag for the bag. It says about the brand, Bolzano Handbags and Accessories. They have accessories too, not just bags. So, you know, you can get sunglasses, all type of different stuff. Are depicted by sophisticated styles, you know, for us fancy folks, you know, we're fancy. A variety of material, leather, nylon, and vegan leather. An array of fashionable colors, luxury feels, quality hardware, compartments, and exquisite craftsmanship. Each of our products is crafted with today's women in mind. Bolzano handbags offer the contemporary woman to express her unique while meeting the demands of her lifestyle. Bolzano embraces distinctive shapes, unconventional patterns, and flirts with hip details, reminding women that they can have it all. Luxury style, elegance, and quality come in our must-have accessories. Bolzano offers value combined with the element of surprise, the ideal product for today's woman. So you can get sunglasses, accessories, you can get purses, watches, honey. You see, when I read that, my attitude changed. Like, I'm loving it. I am fashion, baby. I am fashion forward, honey. And when I tell you the girl on here, she too cute. So let's go ahead and open up the purse. Yo, I wanted this color for spring, yo. Oh my God, I see the purse. Wait, were I even... They gave me the purse. They gave me a purse that fit my personality. And I didn't even take it out the bag to show you guys. Like, y'all saw me open it. This is like for real. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me take it out and show you guys. This is the color I was wanting. This color is so me. Oh my goodness. This is the purse. I am so happy. Oh, okay. Calm down. This purse is super cute. Look at this color. This burnt orange. This tomatoey orange. This is my color. This is my color for spring. This actually was the color on my dress for my birthday. Like, that I didn't get to wear. It's this exact color. The new couch pillows I got for spring, this has this color in it because this is the color I'm doing my decor around. That's crazy. That's crazy. They matched me to a T like that. That's cool. It also came with a scarf. I'm gonna have to get this undone. But it came with a scarf and it came with a little fashion jewelry here. So it came with all that. Oh my gosh. And this is the purse right here. It opens up. I'm just so happy. This color is my spring color. This is my spring summer color, and the purse is that color. That's nuts. So this is just a quick look of the inside. Their subscription actually runs $45 a month for the subscription, but for $45, I mean, you do get quite a bit, and we all know purses, even going to Walmart, purses are $39.99, and this is cool to get different things each month that you can try out. I'm just so wild that this is my spring summer color, and they match me to the T to what I thought in my mind that I was looking for. So definitely make sure you check them out. All the information is below. I'm just excited. I am really excited. There's no shipping charge, of course, because it's a part of the monthly subscription. Again, it's Bolzano handbags. They have handbags accessories as well, and when they say it's chic, it's definitely chic, and they will match you to a T, because this is definitely what I was going for spring and summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing of my new bag. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear this with my dress, and I ordered like 2 more dresses that have this in the color. This is going to be just so cute, and this scarf can be my head wrap. It can be so many different things, and my little jewelry. Oh, I'm just so happy. I'm excited. So make sure you check them out. I'm happy. This is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, darling. Luxury for a fraction of the cost. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, check out Bolzano, do your little questionnaire, because they are going to match you. They're going to match you to a purse you love. I love this purse. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.